Are you tired of using multiple appliances for cooking and blending? Do you find yourself overwhelmed by cluttered countertops and tedious cleanup? I know I did until I discovered the Ninja Foodi Power Blender. But here's what surprised me. This blender is more than just a kitchen gadget, it's a game changer. For the best price, click the link in the description. As someone who loves to cook and experiment with new recipes, I was initially skeptical about investing in another appliance. However, after witnessing the Ninja Foodi Power Blender in action, I was convinced that this is one purchase you won't regret. Therefore, today I'll be sharing 3 reasons why you need to try this incredible blender for yourself. Deep dive. Firstly, let's talk about the design and build quality of the Ninja Foodi Power Blender. This sleek and compact machine is not only visually appealing, but also durable and easy to clean. The 1000-watt motor provides sufficient power to handle even the toughest ingredients, while the BPA-free pitcher ensures that your food stays safe and healthy. But what really sets this blender apart is its versatility. With multiple speed settings and a variety of attachments, you can use it as a traditional blender, smoothie maker, or even a food processor. Whether you're making homemade hummus, pureeing soups, or blending frozen fruit, the Ninja Foodi Power Blender has got you covered. The 6-cup capacity is more than enough for most recipes, and the built-in timer ensures that you don't overblend your ingredients. Cleaning up is also a breeze, thanks to the detachable pitcher and easy-to-wipe-down design. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient blender that will make your cooking routine easier and more enjoyable, keep reading. Act 2, Twist and Rehook. As I continued to experiment with the Ninja Foodi Power Blender, I was blown away by its ability to tackle even the toughest ingredients. But what really caught my attention was the incredible results it produced in terms of texture and consistency. Imagine being able to make creamy soups and sauces without having to add any thickeners or creamers. The Ninja Foodi Power Blender's advanced blade technology ensures that your food is smooth, silky, and absolutely delicious every time. But here's the thing, this blender isn't just for blending. With its powerful motor and versatile attachments, you can also use it as a food processor to chop, slice, or puree ingredients with ease. Therefore, whether you're a busy home cook or a professional chef, this blender is an absolute must-have. Deep dive continued. Another benefit of the Ninja Foodi Power Blender is its ease of use and convenience. With multiple speed settings and a variety of attachments, you can customize your blending experience to suit your specific needs. Whether you're making a quick smoothie or a hearty soup, this blender makes it easy to get the job done. But what I love most about the Ninja Foodi Power Blender is its safety features. The automatic shut-off function ensures that your blender won't overheat or continue running if you accidentally leave it on. This not only extends the lifespan of the machine, but also gives you peace of mind while cooking. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient blender that will make your cooking routine easier and more enjoyable, look no further than the Ninja Foodi Power Blender. Act 3. Resolution. So what's the verdict? In my opinion, the Ninja Foodi Power Blender is an absolute game changer in the world of kitchen appliances. With its advanced blade technology, versatile attachments, and ease of use, this blender has revolutionized the way I cook and blend ingredients. But don't just take my word for it. Try the Ninja Foodi Power Blender for yourself and experience the difference for yourself. Whether you're a busy home cook or a professional chef, this blender is an absolute must-have. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description to purchase your very own Ninja Foodi Power Blender today.